Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about exercise 4.4 question number 1 of NCERT example. Let's start with it. So it says find whether the following equations have real roots. तो real roots की condition क्या होती है? We have b square minus 4ac greater than 0. If you get this value as greater than 0, then only they will have real roots. अगर रियल रूट्स एग्जिस्ट करते हैं तो उसको हमें फाइंड भी करना है. सो लेट्स चेक फॉर द फर्स्ट वन. सो बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. b is 2, so 2 square minus 4ac. a is 8, c is minus 3. So it is 4 minus minus is plus. 4 into 8 into 3 will be 96. So you get the value of d as 100. D value is 100. Now this means that D is greater than 0. My D in this case is greater than 0. अगर 0 से बड़ा है then it means that roots are real. अब हमें वैल्यू निकालनी है x की by using this formula minus b plus minus under root d over 2a. So minus b is 2 plus minus d value is 100, so under root 100 over 2a. a is 8. So we get two values out of this here is minus 2 plus minus. Under root 100 can be written as 10. So plus minus 10 over 60. So you get two values here, that is minus 2 plus 10 over 60. Other is minus 2 minus 10 over 60. So it will be 8 over 60. 8 over 16 can be written as 1 over 2. And minus 2 minus 10 can be written as minus 12 over 16. So we get minus 3 over 4. So we get two roots as half and another is minus 3 by 4. Second part is minus 2x square plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. So in this again what we need to do is we need to find b square minus 4ac and it should be greater than 0. So b is 3, 3 square minus 4ac, a is minus 2, c is 2. So it will be 9 minus minus is plus, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25. So we get the value of d as 25 and you can see that it is greater than 0. If greater than 0, that means it has real roots, real and distinct roots. So let's find out the value of roots. Minus b plus minus under root 2 over 2a. So minus b 3 plus minus under root 25 over 2a. a is minus 2. So we get two values. Minus 3 plus minus 25 under root 25 can be written as 5 over minus 4. So from this we get two values, that is minus 3 plus 5 over minus 4, minus 3 minus 5 over minus 4. So we get 2 over minus 4 as minus 1 over 2 and minus 8 over minus 4, it will be positive 2. So you get two values, that is minus half and 2. So these are the roots of second. Then we have third equation as 5x square minus 2x minus 10 equals 0. So again what you need to do is you need to check the value of d. d is b square minus 4ac, a is 5, c is minus 10. So minus 2 square is 4, minus minus is plus, 4 into 5 is 20, 20 into 10 is 200. So you get 204 as d. So now you can see that it is greater than 0. And if it is greater than 0, that means we need to find the roots of it. And it will be real and distinct. Let's find out. So we have minus b plus minus under root d over 2a minus b minus 2 plus minus under root d. d is 204 over 2a. a is 5. So you get 2 plus minus under root 204 over 10. Now you have 2 and another will be under root 204 over 10, and you can write other as 2 minus 204 over 10. So these are two roots for third equation. Let's move on to the fourth part. So fourth part is a equation here, but we need to solve this first so that we can have a quadratic equation out of it. So what you need to do is you need to take LCM of this. So LCM of both the numerators, it will be 2x minus 3 into x minus 5 at the bottom. So you need to multiply the first term with x minus 5 and second term with 2x minus 3. So first term will be x minus 5, second will be 2x minus 3 equal 1. So you get 3x minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8 over. Now you need to multiply these equation at the bottom. So you will get 2x square, then 2x with minus 5, it will be minus 10x, then you have minus 3x, then you have plus 15 equals 1. So you get 3x minus 8 over 2x square minus 13x plus 15. It equals 1. Now we will solve this equation to find the value, or we need to find the quadratic equation out of it. So you need to use cross multiplication here. I will take the bottom value to the right hand side. So it will be times with 1. So value remains the same here. Now we will rearrange this equation to get the equation out of it. So I will take 3x minus 8 to the right hand side. So when I take this, I will get minus 13x minus 3x. So it will be minus 16x. Now minus 8 needs to be taken to right hand side again. So it will be plus 8. So 15 plus 8 is 23. So we have this equation. Now we need to find the value of d. D is b square minus 4ac. B is minus 16 square minus 4ac. A is 2. C is 23. So 16 square is 256. And we have minus 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 23 is 184. So when you reduce this, you get 72, which is greater than 0. And if it is greater than 0, that means we have real roots of it. So let's find out the roots for it. So 72 can be written as 6 under root 2, under root d. If you take under root on both the sides, you will get under root d as 6 under root 2. So I will put exact value of this in this equation in quadratic formula. So it is minus b. B in this case is minus 60 plus minus under root b value is 6 under root 2, 2a. A in this case is 2. So you get 16 plus minus 6 under root 2 over 4. So this is your solution to question number 4. We can reduce this ahead. So it is 16 plus 6 under root 2 over 4, and we have 16 minus 6 under root 2 over 4. Now you can take common from the above equation. So it will be, you can take 2 common out of it. So you get 8 plus 3 under root 2 over 4, and another will be same as well. It will be 8 minus 3 under root 2 over 4. So you can reduce 2 and 4. So you get 1 over 2. So that's all for fourth part. Let's move on to fifth part. Now in the fifth part, again what we need to do is we need to find the value of d, that is b square minus 4ac. b is 5 under root 5 whole square minus 4ac. A is 1, c is minus 70. So you get 5 square and under root 5 square. So it will be 25 into 5, the first term. Then we have minus minus. Minus minus is plus. Then you get 280. 25 into 5 is 100. No, sorry, 125. 125 plus 280 is 405. So 405 is greater than 0. That means it has real and distinct roots. Let's find out what roots it has. So minus b plus minus under root d over 2a. So minus b. b is 5 under root 5 plus minus under root d. d is 405. Now if you take under root 405, you get value as 9 under root 5. You can simplify this with the help of factorization method. You need to find the factors of 405, then you will get this solution. So you can simply do this. So I will replace 405 under root 405 with 9 under root 5. So I can write here 9 under root 5 over 2a. A in this case is 1. So again we have two values, that is minus 5 under root 5 plus 9 under root 5 over 2. Second is minus 5 under root 5 minus 9 under root 5 over 2. So you get 4 under root 5 over 2 and you get minus 14 under root 5 over 2. So we have two values, that is 2 under root 5 and we have minus 7 under root 5. So these are two roots of fifth quadratic equation. And that's all for question number 1. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.